Night Nurse comes in two forms, liquid and capsules. Both contain three main ingredients, paracetamol, promethazine, and dextromethorphan. Here's what each ingredient does. Paracetamol relieves pain and reduces fever. Promethazine is an antihistamine that helps with runny nose and sneezing. And dextromethorphan suppresses your cough. A powerful combo for a good night's sleep. You can take Night Nurse as a liquid or in capsule form, usually before bed. Just follow the dosage instructions on the package. It's typically 1 dose per night. Like all medications, Night Nurse can have side effects. Some common ones include drowsiness, dry mouth, and dizziness. Make sure you don't drive or operate heavy machinery after taking it.